Hello my dear students, today I am going to continue remaining part. The name of the lesson is a false target. So let's have a short recap regarding in the previous class. Dear students, what we have discussed in the previous class? Yes, we have discussed in the previous class. Shravan walked at a day and he will took rest only at the night, right? And also after some days he reached a forest. Who here refers to he? Yes, Shravan Kumar. Already I told in the previous class, right? Yes. The sun set, soon it became a very dark. He could not move further way, right? So that's why they were decided to spend at the night in the forest, right? Who will decided stay at the forest? Here Shravan Kumar and his parents, right? Afterwards the sun was scorching all the day. Already I told that in the yesterday. What's the meaning of scorching? Yes, bisilina bege alva. So that's why they were had a very tiresome. All will be tired because of so heavy heat, no? That's why. Shravan father was very thirsty and asked to him to bring some water. So nextly Shravan picked up the water pot. It was empty. So that's why Shravan, taking permissions of his father, he went to search of water towards river, right? On that time, King Dasharatha on hunting on the banks of river at that night. Dasharatha was well known for his skills in archery. He could aim at a target without even seeing it. It's the aim of Dasharatha, right? In these are all we have discussed in the previous class. Now all of you open your textbook, page number 26. Now I will read and explain this story. Listen carefully, okay? As he was on his way for hunting, he heard the rustling of the leaves made by the wandering animals. Here, waiting for hunting animals. Who waiting for hunting the animals? Right, here Dasharatha. So on that time, his way for hunting, he heard. What's the meaning? Who is the he here? Dasharatha. He heard the rustling of the leaves made by the wandering animals. What is the meaning of rustling? Yes, it means whisper made by the dry leaves. Okay, ಆ ಒಂದು ಒಣಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲೆಯ ಶಬ್ದವಾಯಿತು. ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ವಾಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಂಡರಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಫ್. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಲೆದಾಟ. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಅಲೆದಾಟ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಓಡಾಡಿದಂತಾಯಿತು. Thinking that there is an animal behind the bush. He only thinking himself that is an animal behind the bush. What's the meaning of bush? It means bower shrub. In Kannada ಪೊದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೊದೆಯ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ದ. He took his aim and shoot. Afterwards he took his aim and shoot. ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಬರುವ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಅವನು ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದ. ಶೂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್, ಹೊಡೆತ. He could hear a voice screaming. Afterwards he could hear the voice. What is that voice? Screaming. What's the meaning of screaming? ಕಿರುಚುವ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ. Who heard the screaming sound? Here, yes, Dasharatha. Okay. Alas, I am dying, and who will serve my blind parents after me? Here, who is like this screaming? Yes, Shravan. Alas, ayyo, I am dying, ನಾನು ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. And who will serve my blind parents ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೀ. ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಾಸ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್, ಕಿರ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಶರಥ ವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಶರಥ ವೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್, ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಶಬ್ದ, ಆ ಶಬ್ದದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ದಶರಥ ಹೋದ. He saw a young man soaked in blood. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವನು ಏನನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ದಶರಥ, ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದಿರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅವನ ಎದೆಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಿದ್ದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರ ಎದೆಗೆ? ಶ್ರವಣನ ಎದೆಗೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆದಿರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು? ದಶರಥ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್? ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನೇ ಶ್ರವಣ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾಟ್. ಹೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಕಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾಟ್. ಈ ನೀನು, ಅವನು ಸತ್ತಿರೋದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗಮನವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಶ್ರವಣ್ಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ರಸ್ಟಿ, ನೋ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿ asked to king, "Ho king, first you fill up the water pot, okay, and go to my parents. It will be give to my parents" ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He cried. ತುಂಬಾ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. He showed the directions in which he had come. ಅವನು ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. He said, "They will be waiting for me." He here refers to Shravan said to Dasharatha, "They will be waiting for me." ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. He pleaded Dasharatha to take the arrow from his chest. ದಶರಥ ಎದೆಗೆ ನಾಟಿರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಬಿಲ್ಲು, ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ವಿಚ್ ವುಡ್ ಅಲೋ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಡೈ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲಿ. ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತೆಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲಿ. ಶಾಂತಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಸಾವನ್ನಪ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್, ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಜಾ? ಎಸ್. King Dasharatha's hands shivered and tears filled his eyes. Already King Dasharatha's hands were shivered. What is the meaning of shivered? Nadugta ide. And also tears filled with eyes. What is the meaning of tears? Kanneeru alva, kanneeranna ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He filled the water pot with water. Again he filled the water pot in the water. He went along the direction suggested by Shravan. He went to along the directions suggested by Shravan. Suggested ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ, ನೀನು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು, ನನ್ನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀನು ನೀರನ್ನ ಕೊಡು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ they were very thirsty. Asked to like this Shravan, right? So here Shravan will be dying. Have you understood here? What we have discussed in today's class, dear? Here Dasharatha hunting for the animals that night, right? So that's why he heard the rustling of the leaves made by the wandering animals. Okay, he thinking himself only. The animal behind the bush like this. He took his aim and the shoot. The arrow went and hit the target correctly. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ಹೊಡಿತು. He could hear the voice screaming. He hear the voice screaming. What he heard the sound? Alas, I am dying, and who will serve my blind parents after me? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಶರಥ ಸೌಂಡನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲಾಸ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದೆ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋದ ನಂತರ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಅವರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಿರ್ಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He heard that sound. Who? Dasharatha. Dasharatha went in the directions of the sound. ನೋಡಿ, again Dasharatha went of the directions of the sound. He saw a young man. After he saw a young man soaked in the blood. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನಿಂದ ಬಾಣವನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಬಾಣ ತಾಕಿ ಅದು ರಕ್ತ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಅವನು ಕಂಡ. It was a Shravan indeed. Please fill up the water part. Again Shravan asked to Dasharatha, please fill up this water part. O king, go to it will be give to our parent, right? And also he cried. He showed a directions in which he had come. He said, they will be waiting for me. Who said they will be waiting for me? Yes, Shravan, parents waiting for him. That's why he asked to Dasharatha, right? He pleaded Dasharatha to take the arrow from this chest, which would allow him die peacefully. ಇವನು ಶಾಂತಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಸಾವನ್ನ ಅಪ್ತಾನೆ. King Dasharatha hands shivered. What's the meaning of shivered? Already told that. ನಡುಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And also tear filled with eyes. ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬ ನೀರನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. He filled the water pot with water. Again he filled the water pot with water. He went along the direction suggested by Shravan. ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರವಣ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನು ತನ್ನ ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಶರಥ ಆ ನೀರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು, ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಾರಿಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. Have you understood dear in this class? Yes. Now I will stop this lesson. Remaining part I will continue in the next class. Hope you all understood, students. Thank you.